Yes guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video it's a bit different from what we normally do, but the key for my caddy has gone flat, so I'm going to show you guys how to change the battery in a VW key that is an aftermarket key. So this isn't actually the key that VW obviously make when you say you go buy VW. It's not the actual standard key. This is an aftermarket replacement key, and I've actually got two VWs which I bought. They're both old and they've both got this style of key, so I thought I'd make this video because it must be quite a common brand, and that's what the inside looks like. So if yours looks like this and you want to change the key fob battery on it, continue watching this video. So this video is aimed at keys that are aftermarket. I've got two VWs and they've both got this sort of key with this logo on the back, and this is what the inside looks like. I'm just going to show you guys how to change the key fob battery in a key like this. All you're going to need is a flathead screwdriver. What we're going to do, guys, we're going to go in the little gap you can see here and sort of pry backwards and forwards until the key splits in half. So we're going to pull the key, top bit comes off, that goes to the side, and then this bottom piece, so not the front side with the buttons but the back one, we're going to pull it towards us, and as you can see it all splits. Let's make sure you put your motherboard back properly. It should be cut out like that, and we can put that to the side. We're going to get our new key fob battery. Make sure it is the right size that you're putting in. These are CO2032s, which most keys are. I'm going to remove the old battery, like so, and then put the new one in. And then, dead simple, you're going to put the front in, the top in first, and then clip the bottom in, and then you can go ahead, get the top of the key and put it back together. Yes guys, and that's a simple guide on how to change your key battery. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More importantly, I hope that you've learned something from this and you've been able to do this yourself at home. If you've got any questions about what you've seen in the video, please drop them in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.